SNS College of Technology, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. This is going to be a session on attack tools in cybersecurity. Here we will be discussing the various types of attack tools which are available for attacking over the web activity. Now, before we get into what actually are the attack tools, we need to know what is an attack tool. It is a tool that is used to explore the sophisticated landscape of modern cyber warfare and the tools that shape the digital security today. So here we will have tools both for attacking as well as tools for securing the web activity. Who are the attackers? So attackers are those who are going to provide, going to be cyber criminals who will be attacking the web activity or any activity which is done over the network. There are different categories of attackers starting from the naive attackers till the attackers who are highly expertized. The naive level attackers or the beginners are also called as the script kiddies. They are the novices who are going to use only the pre-made tools, and they often cause disruption without any profit motive. It is just a set of an activity they do to either to please their peer group. Then it is limited skills and they can still cause significant damage, which can never be taken as an easygoing. We need to be very careful with even these naive attackers. The second type of attackers are the state-sponsored attackers, who are highly sophisticated teams which are backed by the government agencies, and they are going to target or being targeting person on the espionage and sabotage type of activities. The advanced persistent threats with unlimited resources are these type of attackers possesses. The third type of attackers are the cyber criminals, we can call it as, and they are called as the black hat hackers who steal billions of money every year, and they are motivated purely for financial gain. They are an organized crime activity persons or teams who syndicates with business like operations. The next type of attackers are the hacktivists and brokers, who are the grey hats driven by the ideology or rewards, leaking data or reporting exploitations, and it's going to be a one who is going to walk the line in between the helping and the harming category of attack. Now we will see the evolution of the attack tools since 1985 onwards. 1985 to 2000 being the technical expertise era, where the early attackers required deep technical knowledge and they are custom exploits. Only skilled programmers can execute these sophisticated attacks. The 2000 to 2010 being the tools democratization, where the tools had become the more or the core component of attacking. The attack tools are accessible through every forms and through underground forums as well as automated scripts, lowering the barrier to entry. The next is going to be the era from 2010 till present, where it is all AI powered sophisticated attacking tools, and these tools are yet accessible, automating complex attacks, and machine learning and advanced algorithms are the ones which are driving these AI tools. Commercial and open source tools blur the lines between the attackers and defenders, and advanced persistent threats now use stealthy, prolonged campaigns with custom toolkits for attacking. Common attacking techniques and tools that are being used by the attackers includes eavesdropping and packet sniffing, where they use tools like Wireshark, capture network traffic to steal the sensitive data, passwords and confidential communications in real time. The next is the password attacks like the brute force, credential stuffing automated scripts, dictionary attacks and rainbow tables do compromise the user accounts, and that's how password attacks has been done. Next is a social engineering attack where the emotional of the human beings is being used as a instrument to get rid of these types of attacks, and it includes tools like social engineering toolkit, the phishing kits and the USB drop attacks. The last one is the reconnaissance tools where the informations are gathered using the tools like Nmap, Maltigo, Harvester, Whois, and there are various forms of gathering the information which includes passive in the absence or without the knowledge of the person who is being attacked, and second one is the active information gathering where the attacker is being alive or active, and when the network is passive or active, whatever it is, information is being gathered using the reconnaissance tools. Now we will see some of the real world examples where the attacking tools has been put into action by the attackers. In 2016 there has been an Yahoo breach where the hackers exploited 3 billion accounts of the Yahoo account holders. And 2016 Uber 2016 hacker attackers accessed around 57 billion riders and driver records, compromising the developer credentials stored in the GitHub repositories. The next is the Equifax 2017 breach where the unpatched Apache Struts vulnerability affecting around 147.9 million consumers, exposing their SSNs and financials data. And these breaches demonstrate how attackers leverage common vulnerabilities and misconfigurations to access the sensitive information on a massive scale of finance looting. Now, there should be some security tools in order to prevent these attacks. That means there should be a counter attack to the attackers' attacks. The security tools which are being available over the cyber security activities includes network security monitoring where the intrusion detection systems, the firewalls and the traffic analysis tools provides this. The encryption tools where we protect the confidential data using the algorithms like AES, RSA and other cryptographic standards that render the data useless even if it has been stolen by the attackers. The third is the vulnerability scanners where the tools like Nessus, Qualys and OpenVAS, they identify the exploitable weaknesses before the attackers discover those points. Compliance tools are those which ensure the systems which are patched, configured correctly and meet the security standards like SOC, ISO 2071 and industry specific regulations. Thank you.